Hello, Paul here, MD Automotive. Got another PCCM Plus I'm installing today. I've done a lot now. I've done a 997, 986, 996, 997. All these new models. On this one here was a particular one. It's a lot of wiring. Look at all that. That was on inside here. I had to take every single one out. And later on, I would have cut them as well down here. But for now, I had to repair all the wire they cut and then tape it up for the factory. So this is the factory one. See the tape? It's all cut and from before. So now it's all back to factory. So right now I'm going to have a look at the actual PCCM Plus, and that's, I'm going to take that off as well. That's from before. Let's have a look at the PCM. This is the PCM here. All connected up here, all done, ready to connections. So this model, this is a this PCM, we can actually get the color to match your car as well. They have come in gray or black, depending how your interior looks like. You can get that color matched to your car as well. Alright, we do this a lot as well, maybe once every 2 weeks, twice or 3 times a month I do. So if you have a Porsche 997, 987, 996, 986 that you need a new PCM, don't worry about the actual factory, aftermarket one. Just get this one. This is the best one. I have fitted all the aftermarket one, and now I'm not gonna fit them anymore. It's too much problems. I'm just gonna get the Porsche one, put it in there, and you're much happier. The value of your car goes up as well, so don't muck around. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.